Big power doesn't always need a big box, and in 2025, Mini ITX cases are proving that small form factor gaming rigs can hang with the biggest desktops. So today, I'm breaking down the best Mini ITX cases of 2025. And remember, if one of these cases catches your eye, I've left the best deals and links in the description, so check them out after the video. First up, the Louqe S1 MK, a case that feels more like Scandinavian furniture than PC hardware. Machined from a solid aluminum unibody, it has this sleek vertical orientation that saves desk space and looks amazing next to a monitor setup. Specs-wise, it supports triple-slot GPUs up to 320mm, meaning you can fit flagship cards like the RTX 4080 or 4090 without hacks. Cooling is mostly through natural chimney-style airflow, but it's surprisingly effective because of the fully vented sides. Building in it is a little more advanced. It's not as beginner-friendly as the NR200, but if you're after premium materials, minimalist design, and console-like footprint, this is one of the best ITX cases money can buy. Link for the Louqe S1 is in the description. Now let's flip to something more playful, the InWin POC One Silver. This case is part of InWin's iBuild-A-Share line, which means it's literally designed for you to assemble like an origami project. The aluminum panels fold and slot together, making it not just a case, but a fun DIY build experience. It comes with a custom PCIe 4.0 riser cable, so you can mount your GPU properly, and InWin even throws in one of their Jupiter AJ120 ARGB fans right out of the box. So you've got airflow and RGB included. This case isn't trying to be subtle, it's bold, it's colorful, and it makes your PC look like a centerpiece instead of hiding it under your desk. Perfect if you want something unique and conversation-worthy without sacrificing compatibility with modern GPUs. The best deal for the InWin POC One is in the description. Next, one of my personal top picks, the Fractal Design Ridge. If you've ever wanted a gaming PC that blends into your living room setup, this is it. The Ridge looks more like a media console than a gaming rig, and you can run it horizontally like a soundbar or vertically like an Xbox Series X. Fractal includes two 140mm PWM aspect fans and a PCIe 4.0 riser card. Plus, there's USB-C on the front I/O for modern builds. GPU support goes up to 335mm long and 57mm thick, which covers even chunky triple-fan GPUs. Airflow is smartly handled with side ventilation and filters, and despite the slim profile, it's quiet enough for living room use. Honestly, if you're going for a console-style sleeper build or a compact HTPC/gaming hybrid, this is one of the best ITX cases on the market right now. Check the description for the link to the Fractal Ridge. Now we've got a classic, the Cooler Master NR200. This case has been a cult favorite for years, and in 2025, it's still an unbeatable choice for most ITX builders. Why? Flexibility and airflow. The NR200 supports GPUs up to 330mm, both 240mm and 280mm AIOS, and requires an SFX or SFXL PSU. The vented side panels plus multiple fan radiator mounting points mean you can push serious cooling in this tiny frame. And here's the kicker. It's one of the easiest ITX cases to build in. Panels pop off tool-free, cable management is straightforward, and the community modding scene for this case is massive. You can do air-cooled builds, water-cooled builds, or budget rigs. It adapts to whatever you throw at it. If you want value, flexibility, and proven airflow performance, the NR200 is still one of the best ITX cases of all time. Link for the Cooler Master NR200 is down in the description. And finally, let's wrap up with a budget cube, the Thermaltake Core V1. This is one of the most affordable Mini ITX cases, but it still has plenty to offer. It's a cube-shaped chassis with interchangeable side panels, so you can flip which side gets the window or vents depending on your airflow needs. Inside, it fits full-length GPUs up to 285mm and has room for tower coolers and radiators. It's not as sleek or modern as the Ridge or Louqe S1, but the build process is simple, and there's plenty of space inside for an ITX layout. That makes it a great choice for first-time builders or budget gamers who still want a small form factor without premium pricing. Best deal for the Thermaltake Core V1 is in the description. So that's the roundup, the best Mini ITX cases of 2025. If you want luxury design, grab the Louqe S1. If you're all about bold looks and DIY fun, go with the InWin POC One. For a clean console-style build, the Fractal Ridge is unbeatable. Need flexibility and airflow? Cooler Master NR200 still reigns supreme. Or if you're on a budget, Thermaltake Core V1 will get you started without hurting your wallet. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments because I want to see your dream ITX build combos. And hey, don't forget, I've left all the best deals and links in the description so you can snag one of these cases today. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more PC gear breakdowns, and I'll catch you in the next build guide. Peace.